Distinguishing by material, we have steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and other materials rivet nuts. Distinguishing by function, we have open type and closed type rivet nuts. Distinguishing by type, we have flat head, reduce head, countersunk head, half hexagon, full hexagonal rivet nuts. According to the product surface plating classification, blue zinc plating, white zinc plating, black zinc plating, nickel plating, plating dacrymet. Distinguishing by material, we have steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and other materials blind rivets. Distinguishing by type, we have aluminum open-type blind rivets, steel open-type blind rivets, stainless steel open-type blind rivets, closed-end type blind rivets, multi-grip type blind rivets, and other structural blind rivets. Distinguishing by material, we have steel, SUS 304 stainless steel, aluminum, SUS 416 stainless steel self-clinching fasteners. Distinguishing by type, we have self-clinching nuts, including S, CLS. We have standoffs, including BSO, SO. We have self-clinching studs, included FH, FHS, and other panel fasteners, including PF31, PF32, and other else. Welding studs, we have steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and other materials welding studs. Based on type, we have threaded stud PT welding stud, unthreaded stud UT welding stud, stud with internal thread IT welding stud, threaded stud PD welding stud. Riveting tools included in our product range. We got pneumatic and manual tool both for rivet nuts and blind rivets.